Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Today we're going to show you how to clean, oil, and replace an air filter on your Yamaha YZ250F. You'll want to clean and lubricate the air filter after the initial break-in period and after each race or 2.5 hours of riding. We'll be using the YZ250F in this video, but you can follow along if you have any of these models as the process is very similar. Inspecting, cleaning, and changing your bike's air filter will take approximately 30 minutes to complete with a Yamaha difficulty rating of just 1 wrench. Before we start, let's make sure we have a clean bike and everything we need to successfully and safely complete this regular maintenance task. You'll need air filter cleaner, Yamalube foam filter oil, lithium-based soap grease, and a genuine Yamaha air filter based on your bike's year and model. And why Yamalube filter cleaner and foam filter oil? Well, Yamalube products are trusted and used by the Yamaha factory race teams because they provide an exceptionally clean filter and long-lasting protection for your YZ engine. Make sure to check out our other videos to see why Yamalube has the go-to products for your bike. Now we're ready to get started. First things first, secure the bike on a level surface. Next, always make sure your bike is clean when doing any maintenance, especially around the airbox. You don't want any loose dirt particles entering your engine's airbox or intake tract. Remove the fuel cap cover and air filter cover by loosening the quick fastener screw and the snap hooks located at the left and right hand sides of the projections on the air scoop. Slide the air filter cover towards the rear of the vehicle and remove it. Take a look at how convenient it is to access the screws and covers. Again, be sure to clean away any loose dirt before proceeding. Next, remove the air filter assembly by loosening the 2 plates, turning them outward. Remove the air filter guide, and depending on your model, remove the air filter mounting bolt as well. Now we are going to separate the air filter guide and seal guide from the air filter element. This would be a great time to clean the air filter guide and airbox mating surface with contact cleaner to eliminate any residual dirt. Wash the air filter using the foam air filter cleaner in a clean bucket. Use a bucket that is at least 1 gallon in size and one with a lid to store cleaner for future use. Inspect the air filter for any tears or damage, and if found, replace with a genuine Yamaha air filter. Rinse the air filter in warm water. To prevent tearing, do not twist the air filter when squeezing, and let it stand until completely dry. You can then oil and reinstall the clean filter, but we'll be upgrading to a GYTR filter because this high-flow 2-layer foam filter offers optimized filtration while maximizing airflow, therefore increasing performance. Apply the Yamalube foam filter oil to the filter. Without twisting, begin to massage the entire air filter until it's completely coated. We do not use aerosol spray oil as it makes it difficult to ensure full penetration. We recommend only using Yamalube filter oil in the bottle. If you're reusing your OE filter, reinstall the seal and air filter guide. For an absolute proper seal, apply lithium soap-based grease on the entire sealing surface when installing the air filter guide. Make sure that the 2 projections at the rear side of the vehicle on the air filter guide are securely fitted into the 2 slots on the air filter case. Turn the locking plates back to the original position. Reinstall the air filter cover and the fuel tank breather hose. Make sure that the 2 slots at the rear side of the bike in the air filter cover are securely fitted into the 2 edges on the air filter case. Also, be sure to carefully align the 2 snap hooks located on the left and right hand side of the air filter cover with the projections on the air scoop, and then install the air filter cover. Reinstall the fuel cap cover. And here's a race tech tip. For quicker air filter changes while at the racetrack, pre-service a few air filters and store them in a Ziploc bag. Between motos, simply exchange the dirty filters for one of the pre-serviced, ready-to-go filters. Congratulations! You just serviced the air filter on your YZ. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more tech tips. Now, let's get out and ride.